Some more breaking inputs coming in. Dreaded gangster Anmol Bishnoi, as we told you, has been produced in Patiala High Court. As we speak, he's inside the courtroom. NIA has sought 15-day custody of Anmol Bishnoi, is what we have learnt. Because for NIA, this is a big catch to break into this entire empire that Bishnoi and family members have really set up, and how they've been involved in attempts to murder, extortion and other criminal activities. Bhavtosh, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Bhavtosh, as we speak, Anmol Bishnoi is in Patiala House Court. NIA has sought his custody. But for the benefit of our viewers, can you explain to us how important really he is for NIA?
Well, he's an important cog in the wheel as far as this gang is concerned. In 2022, this gang, in fact, there were two FIRs that were filed by the Delhi police, which was subsequently taken over by the NIA. And NIA in 2023 had filed one charge sheet explaining in detail as to how these gangsters were operating. The charge sheet was filed under relevant sections of IPC, which superseded BNS, and also under anti-terror law. As far as Anmol Bishnoi is concerned, what the NIA had said is something which is very important. They had said that he was running the overseas operation of Lawrence Bishnoi, and importantly, the two hits that happened recently, one, the Baba Siddiqui murder, and also the firing outside Salman Khan's residence, that onus was taken by him primarily because he wanted to save his brother, who was already incarcerated in Sabarmati jail. Lawrence Bishnoi in both these cases was never named as an accused, because as soon as these incidents happened, Anmol Bishnoi immediately took responsibility. But lately, in mid of 2024, there was parting of Goldie Barar with Lawrence Bishnoi, and since then there was in fact a cat and mouse chase between these gangs. There were several killing of these gang members. Anmol Bishnoi last November was in fact detained because he didn't have the adequate travel papers, and now he has been in fact brought back to the country. The custodial remand is important primarily because of the fact that NIA wants to understand how these gangs are operating, how they're collecting extortion money and running their entire empire, not only in India but also abroad, given the fact that Canada has now declared Lawrence Bishnoi and his gang as foreign terrorist organization.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. We'll of course come back to you for more on this story.